Hello everyone. So as you can see here, this is the voting machine, which we will use it in a referendum in this example. You can see here the question in Arabic language. Do you agree with the new constitution? 1 yes, 2 no. This machine, as you can see, contains two parts. The first part contains an LCD and keypad. And the second part contains all secret information of vote. So we'll see how to vote now. But we will check firstly the prior number of votes saved in the machine. So we need to click on Start button for 1 second. Now we heard a beep. This option is used to warn that voter try to access for information's machine. But it's not easy. He need to write the secret code. So the text written in Arabic here is, enter secret code please. The secret code is 81. It's easy in this example, but we can change it with a strong secured code. So we will write 81. Then we click on hash symbol. It's written the total number of vote is 40. The number of vote for yes is 32 and 80%. And the number of no vote is 8 and 20%. So now we will return to vote mode. We click for 1 second on Start button. We will try now to vote by no. So we click on 2. It's written in Arabic. Click on hash symbol button to confirm or click on Start button to return. So we confirm by clicking on hash symbol button. It's written wait please. Then it's written the vote is successfully completed. We will check now the new number of votes. So we click on Start button for 1 second. Then we enter the secret code. It's 81. Then we click on hash symbol button. So you can see here the new total number of vote is increased by 1. It's 41 now. So we will check the number of yes vote. It's the same 32. But as you can see, the percent is not the same. So we will return to see the number of no vote. It's increased by 1. It's 9 now with 21.9%. Okay, so now we will return to vote mode. So it's easy to use this machine, as you can see, and it's not connected to internet to protect it from hackers. It's just a simple prototype. I launched a campaign in Kickstarter to raise money, then designing and manufacturing the improved version. Your help is greatly appreciated. You will find in description my LinkedIn account contact. Thanks for watching.